one of the things I think that is really important for students today who are trying to think about criticism is to carefully evaluate what is in the blogosphere, to go out and read many, many blogs and try to understand the point of view of each of the bloggers and what makes a successful blogger. How do they develop a point of view? How do they carry that point of view through what they do? Even the subjects that they write about. Why do they write about particular subjects? It's almost like looking at, I always think about Roz Chast's cartoons, and how is it that she always sort of nails it? She always manages to write about things that are topical, that are interesting, but there's something more there because of the range of things she writes about. And when you put it all together, you see her point of view. And I think that's really important. It's hard to get at. I think the easiest way, in a way, to do that is through blogs, because they are personal, and because if they don't have a point of view, no one wants to read them. So that, to me, that's a minefield. That's a great way to be. It's not a minefield, but it's a great way to find your way through personal expression, which in the end is criticism.